Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests. Calculus limits look intimidating, but you can solve them in seconds using Taylor series expansions. Watch this quick method to simplify complex expressions like a pro. First, replace each transcendental function with its Taylor series expansion centered at 0. Keep terms up to the first order to capture the behavior as x approaches 0. You got this! Now substitute these approximations into the numerator and denominator. Watch the signs carefully as you subtract the logarithmic and cosine terms from the exponential term. It is super simple math. Finally, cancel the common factor of x from the numerator and denominator. The remaining constant is our limit, which matches one of our given options. Let us go! Team effort! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't skip higher order terms, always apply Taylor series, and cancel the common x factor.